Hi parents, back again with Adam Voigt, and today we're just talking about language and restorative practices. It's a bit of a strange thing, language in restorative practice, because it's different to the old system. So I'm going to ask you, Adam, can you tell us why the language is so different and why we speak differently when we're in a restorative school?
Yeah, it's actually more important than we think, the way that we speak. In fact, like any, we talk about the culture of the school being really important, but it's the culture of a community or even a country or a tribe is really important as well. So the most important feature of any culture is their language.
Yeah.
That's the way they speak. So in a restorative school, what we use is what's called effective language. It's really simple. It's pretty much just say what you were already going to say when a kid, for low-level stuff, so that, things that are both positive and negative, things that the kids are doing that we're kind of a bit annoyed with and stuff that we're doing that we kind of, we like that, is we say what you were already going to say, but throw in a feelings word.
Okay.
That's that affective word. Yeah. So as an example, you might have a kid who drops a piece of rubbish on the ground. And our default as parents and educators typically, and it was mine for a long time, would be, hey, pick that up.
Yes. And you might get a response you might not.
What we say in a restorative school is, disappoints me to see you do that, put it in the bin.
And thanks for doing it.
And thanks for doing it.
Yep.
So what you do is two things. One is you slightly increase the chance of being able to thank and congratulate them because they've actually used two parts of their brain, the language part of their brain and the feelings part of their brain. And the second thing you've done is give them information about the way that their behaviour affects other people around them. Now that's really useful because it means that in time they actually get to the point where they think before they act.
And that's what we want.
And they're able to predict the way that their behaviour might affect other people. And that's really important for them to be able to, be employable, really important for them to be able to be part of even like a sporting team and things like that in the future, is to be able to predict the way their behaviour is going to impact the culture of the place.
And how it affects others.
That's right. So the thing about changing culture is you can't actually change it without changing the language. And this is the key focus we take in a restorative school is using that. So for parents, I would suggest instead of going into your kid's bedroom and giving them a rant about cleaning it up, I would walk in, do a full 360-degree turn, just look them in the eye and say, disappointing. And walk out.
And then when they do it, go, wow, thanks for that.
You give them information and you slightly tilt the odds in favour that they might do it.
Absolutely.